Ọgaranya jere mba n'uju akpa kwando na-enye enye kwuru ya na-eme anya ọtaka agụ nwa na nka abụrụgbu enyi tara agbụsịa asị m na m furu bata n'ọgbọ gị oke nwa asị m na igbo ge m ntị n'ọnụ igbo n'oge kwe m ntị n'ọnụ maka na asị na nwata bụ ibe dị mma ọkọrọ obodo nye ọma bụrụ eziokwu igbo na abụrụ m ibe dị mma ka mbụ dem n'aka maka na si na ibe dị mma n'anya gbara akwụkwọ nwere ka si awa bodogwu ati na akọrọ ụwa ibe ọ na-eme akọrọ ụwa ibe ọ na-eme akọrọ ụwa ele ochie emenya bụ ibe maka na odogwu nwe na-ene anya bụ nnekwu ịgada nwere ibe o ji bụrụ nnekwu odogwu ka nkọrọ akụkọ obodo ya so onye ka m na-ekwu okwu ya maka ji oge na-edu ndị ụjọ ịsara m ka ụgbọ okpoko onye ka akọruo ọkwari nwata mara enyi nne ya na-akpọ ya tịntọm igbo ọkwa ibe mere eme maka na si na enwere ka esi ama odogwu onye ka m na-ekwu okwu ya oke nwa oke ndị ahụ na-ata nkata ichere isi ama adị ya mma Maazị Ọkpara Eze kedio Maazị Ọkpara Eze Chukwubuike m kedio Presidency na-agụ Biafra wanụ n'ụwa niile omeke nne ya ka mụ na-etugo odogwu bụchiri ezi asị mụ na ọgaranya obi dị ọcha nwa na-erube isi onye fe eze ruo enye aka ototo nwa ọnụ gbara ogiri eso ji eji mechaa ya lacha ọkwari ikpeazụ nnekwu ugogbu ekene gị ọkpụrụ ma na-abata na redio tv afụgo odogwu asịde ọtọ ọkwanne ya ka ejighị bụrụ dike ọkwa eziokwu mgbe ọ na-akụ n'isi gị dike tete Presium ego Biafra dike ọkwa gị bụ personal assistant nke odogwu ọkwa gị bụ personal assistant nke odogwu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ọmadịka ndị Igbo n'ọnụ m ekene gị dike tete ọkwa gị bụ rida anyị enwere ibe chọrọ ka m kwuo ụbọchị m ka m ji ekwukwe ọmadike ndị Igbo dike tete ndị ekweghị ekweremegbo ndị gbara ọsọ na-anaghachitekwa azụ ịnụgwo ndị ahụ bịara ka emebe anyị abụrụ kata abịa ibere emebegwo bụ ịnụgwo oge erugwo maka eji oge na-edu unu ndị ụjọ ibe mma bụ ọhamadike gee ntị ka m kwuo onye bụ okwu odogwu butiri ezi onye mmemme na-eke ọjị n'oke ọ mụtara sụcharị ụmụ ya niile ekene gị ha tikwa gị malụ amalụ na nye bụ ọgụ ị na-anụ na mmụọ kwụ gị n'azụ mmadụ kwụ gị n'azụ ezume ezu ibe Igbo jiri dị ebube kwụ gị n'azụ ya ka m ji ayọ chikeru gị si ya were ndụ udori gị n'elu ndụ ịnụgwo o were arụ ike wee chọọrụ gị mma ọmadike ụwa niile oke anụ jide ka iji odogwu butiri ezi maka na ibe ị na-emere anyị dị anyị n'anya o hafụkwa ndị sabo maka na egwere ka echikwa onye gbogbo atị na-emechara ikpeazụ na Judas ga-akarị akarị Barabas ga-eme nkarị ya ka m jiri sị oge erugwo ndị obi Igbo tetezie n'ụlọ ịmara na iwu nwa Biafra tete ya ka m ji nete anya mụbata ka gụ nwana nke jiri dị ebube dịsi enyi ike obere nwa na-echi na ibe nwa ba nne ya bụ orugodo bụ ochikwala ibe nna efụtara onwe ya obodo emere m ibe ọjọọ ka njụ onye bụ ajụjụ indigenous people of Biafra ka njụ anyị ojere bụrụ ụzọ gbagba ọbịa ka njụ okwe ka m jiri nnecha anya wee sị na m ji ekwuriri ya bụ okwu Prince Darrington diketete oke nwa atị m n'ọkwalụ ka m bịara ụka ntụọ maka na nye malụ m bịara ụka m tụọ ọkwa ka m onye oge odogwu nje eche mba etoolu disappointi kwana Nnamdi Kanu ịnụgwo maka na a na-enejere gị anya ọkwa nnene atị na nwata amebe ọfụma obodo akụbara ya aka ọkwa nne ya ka m jiri bịa ka nkụ ọrụ ha aka maka na ị na-eme ọfụma ekwekwere ka ndị abara kata bịa bịa atị na nwata kwacha aka otoro ọgaranya rijuo nne ya gwọ oke nwa Darrington diketete Chukwu bụ ike ma ọkwa nne agụ Biafra diketete asị na ike nga adịghị ile esu onye ọkụ ọkwa adịghị ile atọrọ nkịta ọkwa nne ya ka m jiri nnecha anya were ikpe na-aba ọdọrọ na nka nna ajọgo onye bụ ibe ọmarike bụ ya ji gaga ndị niile gbara ogiri osi ji emecha na ukperi elata maka na ibe agụ niile Nnamdi Kanu jere gbara anyị n'afa gbogbo ọkwaba nche na-emezi ọ bụrụ na ibe niile Nnamdi Kanu jere gwa anyị maka nduzu na-emechacha onye a ga-ekwu na Biafra ejeghị abịa Biafra abịagwo ọnụrụ onye ka kpara ibie nwanne m maka na sị na ibe dị mma ka na-eṅomi eṅomi be anyị ibe dị mma na anyị agbara akwụkwọ Igbo ma bụrụ eziokwu onye kụjara akụja onye agbara ọsọ agụ Biafra ka bịakwa n'obi gị maka na enwere ibe iji bụrụ odogwu ya ka m ji ayọ gị cheta n'ọnụ ọ bụ na gbara gị bụ ogiri asọ na-emecha akpere gị lacha odogwu nne m dị Kanu ọtaka agụ na-ekasi gị gbadube na mmụọ onye na-ebe dị ebube so gị na-azụ mmụọ ndị Igbo jiri dị ebube kwu gị na-azụ mana asị m na mejọrị echezo odogwu asịkwa m na mejọrị echezo odogwu onye ka m na-ekwu okwu ya anụ oke ọnụ ejedere atụ amaọkwa dịketete oke osisi na-aba aga na mmanwụ ọgbakara ọrịa ndị iro dịketete ha sị m na ọ bụ gị bụ obere nwa ji aka wee nwụdo agụ ọkwa gị bụ oke nwa eji eche mba eje olu oke osisi oke nwa na-aba aga na dịketete na Venezuela ka ị na-azọta ọnụ anya ọma bụrụ nne ibe chọrọ ka m gwa m unu bụ jidenu ka unu ji onye agbakwa n'ọsọ onye atụkwa n'ụjọ na-ekwe m ka nha na-ene m anya mkpụmkpụ emegbuo m ibe mana asị m na ọ bụrụ na onye mkpụmkpụ na-aga ọkwọ eji eme agụ ekene ụmụaka osisi na-aba aka na mmanwụ oke anụ gbakara mkpakara ndị iro mmiri na-arị ugwu dịketete agbụrụgbu editara agbụsisi ya ekene gị ha sị m jide ka iji n'ụwa na anụ ọnụ gị ibe niile unu na-ekwuo ha sị m na onye kwetata na oyi ekweriri echi maka na ndị Igbo nwere ibe bajere kọrọ mgbe gboo asị na onye ekwe na ọ na-ekwe n'ute ekwe na ọkwa nne enyebe ekweriri asị m na ọlụrụ na alụrụ ụmụ Igbo niile ọ na-ekwuru ụmụ Igbo niile ọkwa unu na-agọrọ ụmụ Igbo niile agha na-anụrụ ụmụ Igbo niile mana mmadụ mana mmụọ oke osisi gbakwa Nnamdị Kanụ na ọ naghị n'iyi n'ugwo kpọkpara m presidarịntị ya jide ka o ji odogwu butiri ezi papa na-enye ji n'ọba ọkwa nne odogwu na mmafu a na-arị egbu awụ n'ugwo ọnụ m mana awụ oji eke ya manye n'ike ọ dakarị moto ọbụla asidenti ọkwa nnene ya ka m ji bụrụ odogwu na-ene m anya asị m na oge erugwo mgbe ndị Igbo ya etete n'ụla maka na asị onye mebe ọfụma site onye ọkwa ibe mere eme agụ Biafra niile eme ọfụma mana ọ disapọntikwara anyị ọkwa ekwekwa n'obodo ma were nwayọọ gbaa na-ekpe ma be m ụkwa ka dị m anya enwere ibe na-atọ m ụtọ echo m na-akwado atụtụ na omenala Igbo ka ọ garuola anyị n'isi mana ndị amaghị ejeri ahụta ibe Nnamdị Kanụ na-agba mbọ ka o meele na anyị niile mana ndị nwere anya afụbagwu ya maka ndị gbara ọsọ anatabagwo a sị m ndị ibere na-eme ficha na anya ụnụ bata ịgbanwe ndụ gị anyị ya nabatakwa gị ndị be anya ọkwa nne nwetị na ọma wee n'aka ji bụrụ odogwu wee jide ọgwụ n'aka wee kpakuwe kekere ụwa chekuke ala ọbụnago ya bịa kere ududo ka mmiri bịa ka mmiri bịa kere agwụ bara mkpakọ bụ n'ugwu gị bịa kere oge erugbo akpara m ezumezu ndị mmiri kpara ndị ogbi mmụọ kpara na oke mmụọ dị icheche mba etoolu ha kpara m oke mmụọ n'ala Chukwu oke mmụọ ala Chukwu jide ebube bịa kere ya nọrụ gị ụmụ gị tọ n'akwa maka o kwere nka nghọta gbogbo ọ na-abụ karịba ejebe ụmụ Chukwu wee jejụba ajụjụ ebata n'ala Chukwu o kwere ụmụ Chukwu ya kọrọ ha akụkọ obodo ekweru sobekweru Nnamdị Kanụ onye agbakwa n'ọsọ Sobakwano Namundi Kanu. Sobakwano Mazakbalaze Chukubikem. Prince Daritino Okemwa. Agubia Fladi Ketete. Iji Uta Wele Menya Viva. Obu Sirigika. Omeka Niadikandi Kelere. Aside Hoto Okwande. Sobakwano Kosisi na Bagana Mwangundilo. Sobakwano Kosisi na Bagana Odogwu Butirieti. Onye mmemme na-eke ọjị n'oke si sobekwu ya maka na onube na-ejekwa ọkwa akwụkwọ na-atọ ite esiri n'ọkụ oke osisi isokwe n'ibe eji eje mba eje olu onye agba akwana gị okwu onye agba akwana nye m okwu ka m na-ekwu ụtaka agụ n'aka obi m ka m na-ekwuru onwe m Makara ziru onye na-arịa dị ya njọ ọkwa ibe mere eme ọ bụrụ na ọ ekwu omume si kpọzie m echi si kwuo na Biafra adịgwo eji nwayọ emeri nya bụ ibe maka na Nnamdi Kanu ji udo bịa a sị na nwata chọba nke ihe nọ na-aba ajọ nwa Nnamdi Kanu ji udo bịa si were n'uke bụ nke anyị dị anyị n'aka ka onye ọbụla n'ọrụ onwe ya ọkwa ibe mere eme nye m nke m oji abụrụ m okwu Igbo ka njụrụ anụ ndị aka na-eri eri tetenụ n'ụlọ oge erugwa mgbe Igbo eji sọba onwebe mana asị m na-eje ma bịa ka nsere ebe ọkpa gbara n'igirige ọkụkọ bụ ya eji wee chụaba emenwụna m n'ezi agụ Biafra biko asị na ọkụ egori nwata n'aka na ọ na-elegbu ihe mmanwụ ya ka m jiri sị na ọkụ ejere gụrụ gị n'aka na o jee elegbu gị elegbu mana nwata ji aka ya mavụrụ ọkụ ewere nwayọọ ole n'anya ya n'aka Igbo unu niile ka chọjiri ka njụ onye bụ ajụjụ ayojejianụ be mmụọ gụta ọkụ bata na be mmadụ ọnyụnaghị anyị ndị be anyị okwere omume ya ka m jiri si onye ọbụla tete n'ụla oke osisi na-aba ga na eke n'ọnụ Prince eke n'ọnụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu eke n'ọnụ ụtaka agụ na nke anawalo
Otaka Agụ ọ ga-adịrị gị na mma. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, fellow Biafrans. I have come again this evening to speak to my people. I have come again this evening to interact with my people. I have come again this evening to bring more gospel of redemption to each and every one of you that is watching us. If you think that you are a Biafran, you are a freedom fighter, you are a lover of freedom, share the program. As usual, I am not going to take much of your time. I'm going to spend at least 1 hour on this program, this particular program. I won't spend more than an hour on this program. An hour is what I'm going to spend on this program. So I'm watching my time from now. Immediately is 16 minutes after 10. I will bring this program to an end. It's going to be interactive, depending on how many calls that comes in at the time that I want to answer calls. My name remains Mazopele Chukwubikem Agụ Biafra 1. And this particular message that I want to pass to each and every one of you this night is something that we need to talk about. It's something that we need to look into. We have to deliberate over it. Yes, it's very, very important. While we are still mourning our dead, those that the Fulani herdsmen, bandits have killed, there are other pressing issues that we need to look into. I am yet to host a program that will bring videos, evidence to each and every one of you as usual, as I used to do it, because I have a lot of videos that I want to show you. So I am waiting because Facebook banned me to use Biafra TV and Aside Hot page. So I don't know, they still left this one and I'm managing it because sometimes I find it very difficult to log into this account. Sometimes if I want to broadcast, they will kick me out. If I want to broadcast, they kick me out. So I keep struggling until I will get through, you know. If you watch this night, I have tried 3 times to come live. They kicked me out and I keep coming back. Even I try YouTube, my YouTube channel, the same thing happened there, so I have to come back here again. So my brothers and my sisters, there's a voice that I'm going to play. So unfortunately, that voice was on Igbo. It is somebody that I respect so much. He made a voice note in regards to the present situation of things that is happening to us and the latest development in the side of the Oduduwa people. Now I want us to look at this very critically, because I want to discuss, I want to interact with you people, so I'm not going to talk much. In Biafra land, we have elders. We have elders. And we have kings and kingmakers. We have traditional rulers. We have governors. We have senators. We have House of Representative members. All put together. The Biafra that we are fighting for, if that Biafra comes, the elders are going to benefit from it. The traditional prime ministers are going to benefit from it. The kingmakers are going to benefit from it. The governors are going to benefit from it. The senators are going to benefit from it. And the House of Rep members are also going to benefit from the Biafra we are all fighting for and dying for. Why people are dying for this same Biafra? Some people are benefiting from the death of Biafrans. And the beneficiary of this Biafran people's death are the governors, the Ezes, the kingmakers, and so on and so forth. Ask me how. I'm going to give you a very simple example. Very, very simple example, because as they hot na so me they talk am. Ndị Igbo si na ụzụ na mara akpọ ogene ya na egba anya n'ọdụ. As I'm speaking to you right now, the Oduduwa people have flagged off their campaign for Oduduwa nation. As I'm talking to you right now, in Ogun State, today, Oduduwa people have floated about 18 boxes that is crafted, that is designed with Oduduwa nation emblem. 18 boxes that was painted, that is painted rather, with Oduduwa color. These 18 buses have plate number registered. And the Oduduwa people are out there telling the world that they want Oduduwa, and they have their own flag painted on the buses that they are using for their campaign. I want you to listen very, very good. I want you to listen very, 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 very good. They painted a bus, about 18 pieces of it, using it for evangelism. They call it Oduduwa Nation now. They have their drivers that are driving them, carrying all their people, moving around, campaigning for their freedom. They are hosting their flags in Lagos, in Ibadan, in different places, in Abeokuta, everywhere. None of them have been arrested. I like what they are doing. I support them 100%. But none of them have been arrested by the Nigerian government. None of them have been shot and killed by the Nigerian government. Do you know why? Hold on. Should I tell you the reason? The reason is because na nwatakịrị nna ya dị elu oshi na-eji ọkpa gbawa akụ. Any child whose father sent to go and steal, when he gets there, they use leg to break the door and enter with every pride because his father sent him. Because the elders of Oduduwas are behind the youths of Oduduwas. Because the kings, the traditional rulers of Oduduwas, the think tankers of Oduduwas, the people that matters in Oduduwa land, sat down and said, my children, go, we sent you. That thing that will happen tomorrow, let it happen today. Nobody has been arrested. Nobody has been shot. Nobody has been kidnapped. It is happening inside this same Nigeria. It is happening inside this same contraption. It is happening inside this same place where all of us are called one Nigeria. But God forbid, I am not part and parcel of it. Do you know why? Because all the leaders of Oduduwa people are backing them, standing with them. Gwechiri. Hey. In your own side, in Biafra side, your own governors with your own traditional rulers have sold you. They sold us and they collected money. And they gave the governors the impetus to call us terrorist organization. What do you people see? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Are you feeling what I'm feeling? Excuse me. Are you with me? This is in the same enclave they call one country. One part fight for their freedom. The youth come out and fight for their freedom. Their fathers call their children terrorists. Their governors call their children terrorists. A leader that is as strong as iron, Igwe, floated a security network. The governors, the ministers, the House of Representatives, the so-called Igwes kick against them. And the governors invited the enemies, the army, the police, to come and kill them. But in the other side, in the western part, they floated Amoteku. Nobody touched Amoteku. They not only floated Amoteku, they funded Amoteku. They bought them, they even put it into law. They bought them cars, jeeps, they gave them kits, they give them gun. They signed it into law. They're paying them salary. As if the Omoteku has been compromised, they floated another security network right now. In case you don't know. And nothing has happened, and nothing is going to happen. Do you know why? Because Oduduwa people, their elders, knows what to do and when to do it. They said enough is enough, that they are done and dusted with Nigeria government, that they don't want Nigeria government again. They don't want Nigeria as a nation again. So Tinubu is just dancing skelewu for himself. But your governors called you a terrorist and invited army, Operation Python dance. Why is there no Operation Python dance in the West? Why is there no Operation Crocodile Smile in the West? Why did the crocodile only smile in the south, in the old eastern region? Why is the python dancing only in the old eastern region? Your governors have sold each and every one of you. They have all sold all their children, using the blood of their children to feed. There is a news that broke this evening that unknown government visited Charles Oludo's house, killed and abducted killed about 3 policemen and abducted some people there. Biafrans, I have a question for you. Do you think that Oduduwa people value freedom more than our own elders? I mean their elders. Is that what you are thinking? That they understand what freedom is all about more than us? We that have been killed, 5.2 million people have been killed during 1967 to 1970. And this is 1945 they have been killing us. Now, as we floated our own security network, they came to Olu and they start bombing us. While we are evangelizing, just as they do what people are doing now, they keep killing us. They killed us at Headbridge. They killed us at Mpo. They killed us at Iguacha. They killed us at Aba Ngwa High School. They killed us at Enugu, in Ebonyi, in Imo State. They keep arresting our people. As I'm talking to you right now, our men are being arrested day in, day out. They are being kidnapped from their houses. But in the Yoruba side, nothing is happening. Nobody is touching them. Why? Because your own elders, your own fathers have given you away to the enemies. Your own elders, your own fathers, your own governors have given all of you away. That is why the governors for the Eastern region, all the elders from the Eastern region, all the so-called tentacles, all of you are going to get it hot from this youth. You people are going to get it hot. This is not incitement of violence, because you people have killed us enough, kidnapping us, killing us. How do you think that this generation of this youth are going to respect the elders that are using the blood of their own people? Money ritual, eating the blood money, collecting money on the head of your own children, bringing army to be practicing operation, to be parading operation Python dance, and the Python is dancing and killing your own children. In the Yoruba land, the Python cannot dance in Yoruba land. Crocodile cannot smile in Yoruba land. Do you know why? Because their elders love their children more than you love your own children, because you hate us. I want you to share this program. Let this program get to Obio Furniture. Let this particular program get to Ates Enupo, Emeka Ofo Nozubru, Ifeanyi Uba, Roger Sokola Hausa. All of them, all the billionaires, all the trillionaires, all the zillionaires in Igbo land, all the governors, both old and new, all the S and the current governors, let this program get to them. I want to use this program to declare that they hate us, and for that, we are going to fight them. Enough is enough. They will think that we are only talking. If you like, go and bring the whole army inside Biafra land. All of you, your children, are going to keep dying the way you are killing us. Your children, the governors, the ministers, the House of Representatives, all of you, the Igwes, all of you, look at the Yoruba people, how they are protecting their own children. You see how they are protecting their own children. You see how all of them are running around Sonny Igboho, standing with him. But our own, they go to Abuja. Well, anyway, they are not our own. They are a slave, charlatans. Go to Abuja shouting, bring Mazen and they come back. When they arrest any one of our brother, this idiot, these charlatans, we go and do you people know why Boko Haram is doing what they are doing in the north? If you talk anyhow, they come and kill you, so that you allow them to do their work. Boko Haram have killed some people, some of the Muslims that are kicking against their agenda. And what is their agenda? Islamization of Nigeria. They want the whole country to turn into Islam. Because our youth looks so docile watching you people. Watching you people. You are gallivanting here and there, sharing your money. This is a wake-up call for you to see that in the Yoruba side, in the West, the people, their elders are with them, their governors are with them. The House of Rep members are with them. Are you aware that Oduduwa people are now singing their national anthem in their schools? They are teaching children their national anthem in their schools. Just imagine if it is Biafra flag or Biafra color that is painted on top of 18 vehicles, 18 buses, and people are seated inside those vehicles and using it to evangelize. Imagine what will happen to them. They will open gun. They will even put fuel, burn the whole people inside the motor. I'm telling you the gospel truth. Just imagine that it is Biafra people that bring out buses. Who bought the buses for them? If not their governors and their elders, their traditional rulers. 18 buses, brand new one, chala chala or chala, which they are using for their evangelism. Who bought it for them? They crafted it, they painted it, designed it. I have the video, but I'm not going to show you. I want you to go and sort the video out and watch it by yourself. And that brings me to listen. I want you guys to listen to the voice of Udenje Kenda Musu, Okosisi Nabagana. The fearless voice himself. Listen to him. Because when we talk, they say we don't respect our elders. Which elders are we respecting? The elders that have sold us 1 naira and collected the money. Are they the elders we're going to respect? That is the question I'm asking you. The elders that have sold us kobo and collected the money, are we going to respect them? Please, listen to this voice.
Ndị Igbo bịa na ntị. Ndị Igbo ucha na ntị unu. Okwu na-agwa ndị Igbo n'ụbọchị tata, emelụ m research. Nwe ma na ịchọ igwe onye Igbo okwu ka ọnụ ya ikpe onye iyi. Onye Igbo ọbụla na-eme ajọ ife ọbụla ịchọ ka ọnụ ife ị na-ekwu. Ụkacha anyị iyi arụ. Ori iyi bewe anya arụ. Onye ma nke asịsị kpọ ma nke asịsị akpọ na ọ research mmelụ. And ndị Igbo kwuli ebu ndị ancestors wee sị na okwu dị mma nara asụ anya. Ọ bụ na onye Igbo tata unu chọọ ka Igbo dị mma, unu chọọ ka anyị nweta Biafra, unu chọọ ka ndị gọvanọ sụa na-eme alụ na ndị ọhaneze ndị Igbo a na-eri anyị aka azụ na-ekretiri anyị wọọ na be nna anyị. I've been surprised that the governor of Ebonyi, Sazolano Tata, when I condemn the killings in Ebonyi by the herdsmen. Onye na-akpọrọ mmecha oge ekwe. Ekecha na obi owe eke na mkpuke. Gbasa na ozi onu nka na n'onu ya ka bụ ofu onye anwa. Ekwechiri m sị na unu bụ ndị na-akpụtọ Biafra, unu bụ ndị na-akpụtọ afa ndị Igbo, unu bụ ndị bubatara ndị herdsmen. Ezumike agha dịrọla unu. Anyị nwa bụ ndị na-ejere Chineke ozi mere oppose na anyị aghara ekwe bụ the freedom fighters like us. Ezumike abụrụkwuru anyị unu ya na-eme until maka na Israel ezuru ike until veme gịnị fa pụọ n'oru, fa gbapụta onwe fa from ndị oru, fa gbapụta onwe fa from ndị enemy, ndị ilo. Achọrọ m ka mmekwu unu mara na tata ọ bụrụ na unu chọọ ka ife a na-eme na anyị Igbo asịsa kpalizi n'okenye research nchọpụta tata na anyị Igbo kịta na that was then mgbe asịsa kpalizi n'okenye agago because ndị okenye ndị anwa anaghị akpali bụ ancestors anyị kwuru onwe fa ugwu fada azụta oke anyị the right time fa protect anyị bụ ndị okenye bụ ndị ancestors anyị bụ ndị okenye mee ka ife niile gbasara ndị Biafra gbasara ndị Igbo dịla anyị nọ ndị kịta akpọzila onwe ndị okenye bụzi ndị na-akpụta anyị na-ele anyị na ndụ ma anyị nwụrụ anwụ. Eso m na onye sirisi ekwutọzi na ndị okenye mana ebiriwe m si onye ọbụla bụ onye okenye anyị filu na ọ nara emetụ ya iyi ka anyị ebidogodi na ya ọ nke mana na ọsịsọ okwu dị mmadụ na-asụ anya ejigoro nwayọ okwu onye wee okwu vanụ. Rọ gekwanụ ntị o. Ma onye ọbụla bụ onye okenye anyị filu na ọ nara emetụ ya iyi ka anyị ebidogodi na ya ọ nke mana na ọsịsọ okwu dị mmadụ na-asụ anya ejigoro nwayọ okwu onye wee okwu vanụ. Rọ gekwanụ ntị o. Ma onye ọbụla bụ onye okenye anyị filu na ọ nara emetụ ya iyi ka anyị ebidogodi na ya ọ nke mana na ọsịsọ okwu dị mmadụ na-asụ anya ejigoro nwayọ okwu onye wee okwu vanụ. Rọ gekwanụ ntị o. Ma onye ọbụla bụ onye okenye anyị filu na ọ nara emetụ ya iyi ka anyị ebidogodi na ya ọ nke mana na ọsịsọ okwu dị mmadụ na-asụ anya ejigoro nwayọ okwu onye wee okwu vanụ. Rọ gekwanụ ntị o. Ma onye ọbụla bụ onye okenye anyị filu na ọ nara emetụ ya iyi ka anyị ebidogodi na ya ọ nke mana na ọsịsọ okwu dị mmadụ na-asụ anya ejigoro nwayọ okwu onye wee okwu vanụ. Rọ gekwanụ ntị o. Ma onye ọbụla bụ onye okenye anyị filu na ọ nara emetụ ya iyi ka anyị ebidogodi na ya ọ nke mana na ọ ife niile ndị ilo anyị bụ the herdsmen na Ekonuko ka eme attack na Ebonyi mee na Anambra steeti na attack ma na Imo ma na Abia ma na Delta Igbo ma na Calabar ma ọ bụ Rivers Old Eastern Nigeria ga-ene ntị bịa.
Excuse me, please. Sorry for this thing.
Okunu kwuru n'ụwa bụ ndị okenye ndị alụlụmana. Ana m ekenegodu Ọhamadike Nnamdi Kanu maka onye ọbụla mmalụ na-emekarị m ana m akpụ ya n'azụ na-emetakwa nke a na-afụ anya na-emetakwa nke bụ nke ziri ezi dịka Ọhamadike Nnamdi Kanu bụ Joshua ndị Igbo si eme n'ụbọchị taa. Abụrụ m IPOB members with capital letter mana abụ m typical Biafran. Ombe mmadụ Biafran ka mbụ bụ na so-called presidency ndị create terrorist under President Muhammadu Buhari. Ịkpọ m dị ya Biafra ka mbụ. You are the most useless coward. Gowa bụ onye na-eji na-ayị na-eburu onye Biafra. Eme unu gị asụ asụsụ unu asị na Ọhamadike Nnamdi Kanu bụ sọsọ ndị IPOB bụ ndị na-asọpọtụ ya bụ ndị o butere. Kedu ibe batazi na o butere mmadụ dịka m na about 15 million Biafrans bụ na ndị na-abụrụ IPOB na-asọpọtụ ya 15 million. We are about 60 million Biafrans or more. 60-70 million Biafrans, but 15 millions anya bro IPOB mana ife ọbụla nna ndị kwuru ka anyị kwuru ya ọnwekọma ọ na-asụ nke anyị na-aghọta, ọ na-ekwu nke anyị na-aghọta, ọ na-eme nke afụlụ anya ziri ezi. Arize mmụọ na-agụ ya okwu, Arize mmụọ na-edu ya, Arize ancestors anyị, Arize Chukwu Okike abịa ma obi n'Okonogo goda na-akwụ n'anya. Ọnwụ na ọ hụrụ ya onye nwe ebe the whole Biafran family ndị Igbo ka anyị nọ taa. Anya na-eme na anyị nwe elders. Ọ elders ndị na-ele anyị na ndụ, ka ọ elders ndị na-ezu anyị ori na ndụ, ka ọ elders ndị decide na enemies anyị kaba mkpa na ndụ ndị bịara igbu anyị bụ ndị deserve ịdị ndụ. Anyị nwapụ ndị deserve ịdị ndụ bụzi ndị deserve ịnwụ anwụ dịka ndị ancestors anyị si eche. What a madness. So even na meka kwa unu tata bụ nekwa na anya ka ngwa unu, nekwa na anya ka ngwa unu. Unu n'anya during the Biafran war, ihe ji meri anyị n'agha ori nne. One, anyị rapụrụ ndị ugwu ọ bụrụ ọgụ bata na be anyị. Geenụ ntị. Mana ọnwụrụsị ndị be anyị nọ n'ugwu, maka ọ bụrụ na o nwere ndị Igbo nọ n'ugwu, Biafrans nọ n'ugwu na-atụ bọmbụ na beva na-agbagbuva a na-asị nọ yes na ndị akwụ ndị Biafrans. Bama nwa dị chance ịbata n'anya Igbo gekwanụ ntị n'ụbọchị tata. The elders after ka Ọhamadike Nnamdi Kanu wetago solution we create an ESN, Eastern Security Network. Ife niile nọ na ESN ma nwaanyị ma nwoke ndụ unu ga-adị. Ndụ unu ga-adị na eke, ndụ unu ga-adị n'afọ, ndụ unu ga-adị n'oye. You all are heroes. Unu emekiela na history. gekwanụ ntị ndị bụ atala ụwa taa nabatala ndị ilo bụ ndị herdsmen ka bịa gbusie anyị n'ala anyị ana anyị bụ the elders anyị nwe ọha na eze ndị Igbo under Ambassador Dr. Obiọzọ a na-ekwusi na akpa afa ọmụwa bụ fearless voice. Ekwugo m na ndị ọha na eze anyị nwere tata bụ ndị ọghọlị ndị aka azụ ndị legolo obi fa lesi ndị ilo ndị na-nwere ezigbo echiche na ndị fa na-achị. The governor of Ebonyi State, congratulations. N'ụbọchị tata na ịkọndemụlụ masaka ndị herdsmen masakalụ ụmụ Igbo ụmụ Biafra. Ịnakwara for since iji bata n'ọchịchị as governor of Ebonyi State, he condemned the atrocities, genocide under President Muhammadu Buhari na committee with ụmụnne ndị herdsmen na Old Eastern region na Biafran land. But taa ọkwa ometụ imi ometụ anya egbuo na more than 30 people na your state by herdsmen. You ever say condemn ya? Congratulations. Onye mee nke dị mma si ji anyị ike maka na ikwu eziokwu fere arụ. Gekwanụ ntị ụmụ Igbo, ndị anyị na-aya tata bụ ndị okenye anyị na the governors na senators. Onye kwuo asị kpọpụta ya ka egbuo na ọ mara ekwu, onye kwuo asị na a ga-atụ ya ngaji elu ọnya. N'ife niile bụ ife nọ na prison tata bụ ndị IPOB na nwere egbe fe nwere mma ụmụ Biafrans nakwa ndị Yoruba na fe kreti na Oduduwa nakwa ndị Yoruba. How many buses ka ha bupụtalụ denya Oduduwa? Flag of Oduduwa everywhere. None of them can policemen arrest.
Are you listening?
Maka gini, maka na ndị elders from Alifa ekecha na obi eweke na mpuke.
Of course.
Weburu na ndị elders anyị nwere tata bụ ndị dị ndụ ma fa nwụrụ anwụ.
Ndị dị ndụ ma ha nwụrụ anwụ.
Yes, unu dị ndụ ma unu nwụrụ anwụ.
Chukwu gozie gị.
Ekwu m na ekere anyị ka ịkpaliwa the elders.
Yes.
Mana elders nke unu nke today, this new generation, bụ awụ nke unu na unu akọmiti ya na-arụ ọma na-ekpochapụ unu nwa bụ the elders enwe n'ala Igbo.
Otu ọka ọ dị. Otu ọka ọ dị.
Gekwanụ ntị. Unu afụgo dat na ndị herdsmen nọ na be anyị na-egbu anyị tata okwodoro unu anya. Kedu ndị Biafrans nọ na north na-egbufa?
Nobody.
Because na befa bụ ndị fa create lụbụ ndị Miati Allah bụ the worst, the most dangerous terrorists in the world, Boko Haram. Bufangwa na emegidi na epic ndị na-akpọtara na Fangwa because they know what they are doing in the north. So, ana m advise the whole Biafrans now. Ka enwe ndị ga-ejekwa na north, otu ndị herdsmen si egbu ndị be anyị na east. Ka enwekwa ndị ga na-egbu ndị beba. A na-akpọ ya nọ ndị gịnị the Easterners, the Biafrans.
1-1.
Yes, of course. Because na obu na atrakwana boom na north. Ndị ama nwezi deliver. Fama that na yes. If I get a message for gini ichekwa over igbawa mbọ. Chobaze ka ga-esi eme gịnị settlement mana unu n'anya ke nwụrụ na any war ebu batara north, which is very wrong. Now ọ ka bụ na Igbo kafano bụ ndị herdsmen anana egburu ndị herdsmen egbuo ndị Igbo mana enwere ife dị like that because na their politicians in north, the herdsmen in the north, the presidency under President Muhammadu Buhari, they are not facing difficulty. It can be Biafra say face now. Fact better than the herdsmen who son and Igbo.
Common
So
sense.
animal advice the
Common sense.
Biafrans
Common sense.
all over the world.
They are relaxing in the north.
Ka enwe ndị ga-ejikwa na north gonna fight for us. Egbuo ofu onye na anyị Igbo okizoro si eme nne nwere na north egbuo mmadụ
20 na north.
akpọ onye ndị Biafrans.
Of course. Listen.
Of course, yes. Because now I believe no one any action there. Have so people war, time no. Una friend are all dangerous. I hear defend this one. But if I want to defend them over, people Ogubia, they are not defending themselves in the north. I address my case for now. Fearless voice. You they can down most. Daluno.
I hope you heard all this man said. He said that he have done a very good research. For those of you who doesn't understand Igbo language, very clear. And he have found out that the simplest way to communicate with all the stupid Efulef elders in Igbo land is to insult them. He said when you insult them, when you want to talk to them, use insult. That is the one they will listen to very, very fast. He began to do comparison, telling us that the Oduduwa people now have floated their own Oduduwa Nation campaign. They have buses, about 18 buses. I have the videos. Like I said, I'm not going to show it on this platform today. I will not do that. And nobody is attacking them. Nobody have arrested them. Nobody have done anything. Do you know why? Because their father sent them. Yes, they came together and sent their children, go and agitate. Will they hear? Nothing they happen. In your own case, what is happening? They collect money on your head and call you a terrorist and call Mazen Nnamdi Kanu a terrorist. Are you aware that our elders wanted Mazen Nnamdi Kanu dead? That is why they signed for Operation Python Dance 2. Operation Python Dance 2 was designed to come and kill Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, nothing more. Who signed it? Ohaneze Ndoshi Nandama, with the governor in the Old Eastern region. They signed the signatory, and the Hausa, the Nigerian army and joint task force, the military, they came and invaded Afaruku Kingdom and the Biafra land as a whole. You saw where they were lying Biafrans down inside a mud water. Maria Pete. They shot one guy dead there because he was wearing a Biafran shoe. You saw it. You saw how they massacred us at the Mpo. You saw how they massacred us at Iguacha. You saw how they massacred us at a head bridge. You saw the massacring in Enugu at Emene. Don't you see that one that happened in Aba, Ngwa High School? Didn't you see it? Do you know that they killed us in Bayelsa State? Are you aware of that? Who sold you to the killers? Only one person is fighting for your survival. Then every other person is fighting for you to die. The governors, the elders, traditional rulers, all of them, because they have threatened them that if you don't support what we are doing, we will stop paying you your salaries. And now the blood of their children is what they are using to eat, to make themselves to feed themselves and their family. I am telling each and every one of you that is watching this video to know that time has come when Ohaneze Ndigbo, Ohaneze Ndoshi, Ohaneze Ndama, Ndempo will call a meeting. Nobody will listen to them. All the elders in Biafra land, when they gather to discuss any nonsense, men, young men, see Yoruba elders, they are protecting their children. Touch Son the Gogo now. DSS, I think they attempted to arrest him one certain time at Ibadan. They attempted to arrest him. And the men that were following him said, no, you can't do that. They should have arrested him now. Let me tell you people one thing. As the case is now, they have Biafrans to contend with. They have Boko Haram already that they are contending with in the north, which they are begging them with money. In other words, equipping them the more. See, Yoruba people now have reason. If they touch them now, the whole matter have settled. That is why they are running away from them. I like what Yoruba people are doing. The freedom for everybody from the south is very, very important. Hausa people are going to rise up very, very soon. Middle belt, we are waiting for you people to rise too. This country is dead. There is no person, as a matter of fact, I'm sorry to say this, God himself did not create Nigeria, and God cannot even come to make Nigeria one. Because there is too much of blood of innocent people that have been spilled on the ground. The whole Nigeria ground now is full of blood. It's bloody. That is why Nigeria is like a broken bottle, according to Zeke, that has no mequatarism. You can't fix Nigeria again. There is no peace. There's no love. The people that you have killed, their spirit is crying from the land of the dead. And the hand of our governors and our ministers, the hand of our House of Rep members is involved in the blood of our people. The Igwes, the Ezes. I saw that video of bus that was painted with Oduduwa color. And the person that was doing the video said that there are about 18 of them. 18. Brand new bus. Brand new bus. But for the campaign for Oduduwa Nation. Hey. Which governor is going to buy one bus and give you? Who is even going to have the nerves, the strength, the power to paint it Biafra flag? Who? Only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu can have the nerves to do that. Only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. These cars, when they use it finish, I hope they used to park it somewhere. Why haven't the Nigerian government attacked them? They cannot attack them. Because their elders said you can't do that. Their elder says you cannot touch our children. You dare not try it. Let me open this line. Because like I said, I don't want to talk much. I intended to stop this program at 16 minutes after 10. As I open this line, I expect to answer at least 2 or 3 calls. I do not want this program to be too much, to take too much of the time. But let me see as it goes. The line is open for those of you that want to contribute to this program. Don't forget to tell us as it hot, now so you go talk. Look at your elders. Your elders are selling you. Their elders call you a terrorist organization. Why the terrorist that is terrorizing our land, killing our people? Your elders cannot even talk to the government to say, you people should proscribe these people. They don't feed, they don't get them out. They are dancing Skeleuna and saying 2023 presidential election, 2023 presidency, 2023 presidency for Igbo. Who presidency help? Who presidency help in this contraption? Osibanjo, that is the vice president, what is he doing? Is anybody hearing from him? Does anybody hear from Osibanjo? If not, this one, he came out now to tell us that if Nigeria break, that you need visa to go to Kanu. Please, what is in Kanu, if I should ask? What is in Kanu? Mention one state in the whole eastern region that Kanu is more better off. In terms of education, in terms of civilization, in terms of infrastructure, and in terms of having natural mineral resources. Tell me. Our elders have sold us 1 naira. We are not worth a penny before the killers. That is why they have the nerves to fly their helicopter gunboat to come into Olo and be dropping bomb and be killing people, all in the name of searching for Eastern Security Network. Eastern Security Network is the only, Nnamdi Kanu is the only option you have to leave. And Eastern Security Network is the only security network that is out there fighting for each and every one of you. I am telling you, take it or leave it. I say you should take it or you leave it. Now, there is an information that came to my news, to my inbox this afternoon. That information, you people know that on this platform, I don't broadcast anything that I hear. I don't say anything that I hear on this platform. I make sure I verified whatever that I said on this platform. Anything in the web and never verify here, confirm 100%. That is why when I tell you that something is white, check it front and back, up and down, it is white. And I want to play the voice of this person so that you hear it from the horse's mouth. Let it not be that President say. It is a very disturbing, very disturbing report that came to my inbox this afternoon. I want you to listen, because the person that sent this thing in is an eyewitness, and they want me to play the voice so that the world may hear it. That is why I want you to share this program. Someone is calling us. Let me know who is on the line. Welcome to the program, As It Dey Hot.
As It Dey Hot. As It Dey Hot.
As It Dey Hot, what thing go happen?
Hello, my brother.
As It Dey Hot. As It Dey Hot, what thing go happen?
As It Dey Hot, I saw
what are you waiting before?
I'm calling from Benin Republic.
What are you waiting before to complete it? Say As It Dey Hot, now so you go talk.
Hello, sir.
When you call us, you tell us As It Dey Hot, now so you go talk. You can't call us and say As It Dey Hot. As It Dey Hot. As It Dey Hot, Abula from Mother. It's a program. I want to play the voice of this person. After that, I'll answer his call, because it's not following the instruction. I want you to listen.
Hello, good afternoon, house. Just now I'm driving to my village. Papa kanga funna nna mo no na village. Putaro no sumo ama Galilo, putaro no sumo kita. Ndị police na ndị amị wee jide ụmụazị na-arụ ebe a na-agụ aja wee na-agbagbusi. So biko na onye fụ ndị amị na ndị police ama gosi ezere nke a bụrụ side talk. Ana m live for me know that I know free video. Ana m inside my motor there. Just now na aga nke a just now no sumo ebe a na-agụ ụmụazị na-ekporo aja one pit ụmụazị na-aga ekporo aja. Ha na-use Omenye a na-ekwu kịta erubedi 5 minutes o ji wee mee. Ndị amị na ndị polisi moto ha karịrị 10 just line nọ na-agba ụmụazị ka nchi. Ihe ụmụazị mere ha don't know. Just na ebe boys na-agada tipa bịa ha wee chọfe ojuore tipa aja tipa eburu pụwa. Afọ otu ha si were agada n'ebe ahụ bụrụ ihe ọjọọ n'obi gaa gbawa ụmụazị egbe. So biko ka mara na ka isi anọ n'obodo a dị hot, obodo a dị njọ, nke a bụrụ nke akọrọ ma akọrọ. If not na mụ nya ji moto dị na onweghị onye nya chọọchị, onweghị ka mmezi gị vidio tewu ya for video the thing, because mụ na ha so face to face na-agbada. Ha nọ m n'ihu ekwe ha ga-eme ha overtake from Osumoru junction, that T junction ahụ wee na-erutezi ebe ha na-agụ aja block main road gbawa ụmụazị egbe. Ejisiri ike ka m ji tọọ n'ọbụrụ moto m ledokwa anya Ọnịcha lawakwa back to Ọnịcha egwu ekwezi nlazi ebe nna ma nwezi ụzọ m si akọrọ ọsọ eje.
Did you hear that? This report came to me this afternoon, and this is one of the reasons why I want to play this voice. One of the reasons why I'm making this video. That he was going to Lilu, getting to Osumoru Junction. There is a pit where people used to, where our men used to, these tipper drivers used to take sand from. He said that the army and police, they line up their vehicles and open fire, start shooting people there. because they see where men gather, and those guys that gather there, their job is to use shovel and be packing sand into a tipper. After they will pay them to feed their family. That is what this report is saying. That he couldn't video them because he was inside his vehicle. They packed and begin to shoot people. I want people who are watching this program, who are from Osumohu or from Lilu, to pay attention and make calls, put calls to confirm this information. Put calls to confirm this information. So it has come to the stage that wherever they see men gather, they will open fire, killing everybody. The killing have started though, unabated once again. The killing have started once again in Biafra land. And this time, their target is youth. Unknown government is killing them, fighting them, killing them. When they kill them, they disappear. Now they are killing innocent people at Osumohu. I want you to put calls to confirm this information. I'm still looking for contacts that is going to confirm this news for me. They pack their vehicles and they open fire to men who are packing sand. I want to play it again so that you will hear it, so that you will know that those people you call your elders, those people you call your chiefs, those people you call your kings, those people you call your governors, they have all sold you all. They don't care about your life. Only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the person that cares about you and IPOB. Now listen to his voice again.
Just now, just now. No Sumoru. Ebe a na-agụ ụmụazị na-ekporo aja, one pit ụmụazị na-aga ekporo aja. A na-eyuzu. Omenye a na-ekwu kịta erubeghị 5 minutes o ji wee mee. Ndị amị na ndị polisi. Moto ha karịrị 10, just line nọ na-agba ụmụazị ka nchi. Ihe ụmụazị mere ha, I don't know. Just na ebe boys na-agada. Tipa bịa, ha wee chọfee. Are
you listening?
After otu aha siwere agada n'ebe ahụ bụrụ ihe ọjọọ n'obi ga gbawa ụmụazị egbe. So biko ka mara na ga isi anọ n'obodo a dị hot, obodo a dị njọ, ka abụrụ nke akọrọ ma akọrọ. If not na mụ nya dị moto dị na onwe ha onye nya chọọchị, onwe ka mmesiga video tewu for video the thing because mụ na ha so face to face na-agbada. Ha nọ n'ihu ekwe ha ga-eme ha overtake. From Osumohu Junction, that T Junction, when you look at the Anna Baja, block on main road, Pamo Mazebe. Is speaker can you turn up motum? Little wine on the shot, Lawaka back to the shot. If we're present, let's say, Ben, I'm always those on Sacros.
I hope you hear that. Biafrans, did you hear that? This is a report of what happened this morning at Osumohu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you have heard what is happening in our land. Obi of Onitsha, who is floating his own network, security network, that is going to protect Nigeria army. That means it has come to the stage that when they see young men in Biafra land, they shoot us and kill us. So there will be no gathering of young men again where they are walking, looking for something to eat. They will open fire and kill them. Let me open the line for once. So for those of you who want to call, I may answer only but 1 or 2 calls because this program I don't want it to stay longer. The information I want to pass, I have passed the information already. So you have heard it that they are killing. They shot at our people today at Osumohu. People that are packing sand for themselves. That is the way they feed their families. They committed no crime. And somebody that witnessed it is the person that sent this message. They sent it across to me. Because they believe that through this channel, we will share it and the whole world will hear. And before tomorrow morning or afternoon, I will still find out more things that happened over there. I tell you that Nigeria army are a bunch of Boko Haram. when they tell you that Nigeria government are forgiving Boko Haram and it reintegrated them into the army, these are the set of people that are doing this dirty job, killing people. They are on killing spree in Biafra land, looking for young men, healthy men who are suffering. That means if they are killing people in the broad daylight like this, that means in the night, if they meet you in the night, they waste you. That means when they will see you in the night, they waste you. It has come to the stage whereby everybody, when no blow ditch, jebo ditch, when the brilliant arogi, abago mamba. Owen kiji when the way to onya gasike. Is your can won. They want to make our land very hot for us. You heard him in Rifokuru. You heard him at Osumohu this morning that he was driving, and they saw that the police and army people, they block road, they parked at within the junction. There's a T junction. If you are coming from Asia, it's a T junction. If you are coming from what do you call it, Iseke, it's a T junction. If you are coming from Opo, it's a T junction. Within that place, there's a pit where people are parking sand there. That is where he said that this thing happened. They park their car, begin to shoot those guys. For how long are we going to be suffering this? For how long are we going to be suffering this in our own land? For how long? So they want to waste all the young men in Biafra land, all in the name of looking for unknown gunmen. It is too much. The other day, they carry tanker and drop it somewhere. I think it was yesterday. They carry tanker intentionally and drop it somewhere. And that tanker burned the whole building there. This is weapon of warfare. They are using every arsenal, everything they have to destroy our land and kill our people. But this time around, they packed where they see men gather and open fire, begin to shoot them. That wouldn't stop the unknown government to keep killing them. It is well understood. My brothers and my sisters, if you are watching this program and you are not supporting IPOB, you are not supporting Biafra restoration, your life is like that of a chicken that the owner can carry it on Christmas Day, on Easter Day, or any day and kill it and use it to do pepper soup. That is how your life is. The Oduduwa people are agitating for their freedom, and their elders are standing with them, and nobody is touching them, nobody is arresting them, nobody is firing them any gunshot. But in your own land, your own elders say that you are terrorists, and they are firing you, killing you, kidnapping our people. As I'm talking to you right now in Anambra State, a lot of people have been kidnapped. A lot of people have been kidnapped. This morning they kidnapped Obase. And they kidnapped so many IPOB security men because we are Biafrans. Because we are Biafrans. And if we don't come out to tell the world what is happening, how are they going to know what is happening? And all these people you call your leaders that are keeping quiet, that have sold us and they are keeping quiet, watching while they are killing their own children, their own life and their own children is going to be as they are killing other people's children, their own children will die too. That is it. They are preparing for 2023. 2023. If you are waiting for 2023 Igbo presidential election, may God punish you, punish your family. Any governor, anybody that is talking about 2023, God will punish. You see Soludo that is coming out for Anambra State gubernatorial as Anambra State gubernatorial candidate. You hear what happened to him? That unknown government visited his house. They killed 3 policemen and kidnapped some people. You see what is happening? Do you see? And when we talk, you say we shouldn't talk. And you are not even doing anything to protect your own children because you have sold all of us. Ndi Igbo, Murunanya, na chefona. Murunanya na chefona. Let me play this voice for once again. For those of you who have not listened to it. Listen.
Hello, good afternoon, house. Just now I'm driving to my village. Papa kanga funnem na mo na village. Toro no sumo ama galilu. Toro no sumo kita. Ndị police na ndị amị wee jide ụmụazị na-arụ ebe a na-agụ aja wee na-agbagbusi. So biko na onye fụ ndị amị na ndị police ama gosi ezere nke a bụrụ side talk. Anọ m live for me know that I know free video. Anọ m inside my motor there. Just now no sumo ebe a na-agụ ụmụazị na-ekporo aja one pit ụmụazị na-aga ekporo aja. I don't use it. A man na-ekwu kịta edubedi 5 minutes o ji wee mee. Ndị amị na ndị police moto ha karịrị 10 just line on na-agba ụmụazị ka nchi. Ihe ụmụazị mere ha I don't know. Just na ebe boys na-agada tipa bịa ha were chọfe ojoro tipa aja tipa eburu pụwa. Afọ otu ha si were agada n'ebe ahụ bụrụ ihe ọjọọ n'obi gaa gbawa ụmụazị egbe. So biko ka mara na ka isi anọ n'obodo a dị hot, obodo a dị njọ, nke abụrụ nke akọrọ ma akọrọ. If not na mụ nya dị moto dị na onweghị onye nya chọọchị onweghị ka m meziga video tewu ya for video the thing because mụ na ha so face to face na-agbada. Ha nọ n'ihu ekwe ha ga-eme ha overtake from Osumogu junction that T junction ahụ wee na-erutezi ebe ha na-agụ aja block main road gbawa ụmụazị egbe. Ejisiri ike ka m ji tọọ n'ọbụrụ moto m ledokwa anya Ọnịcha lawakwa back to Ọnịcha egwu ekwezi nlazi ebe nna ma nwezi ụzọ m si akọrọ ọsọ eche.
And on that note, I am going to bring this program to an end this night. For some of you who doesn't understand the Igbo language, please ask somebody to translate for you. This is what is happening in our land. All in the name to avenge the death of their people who they said that unknown gunmen are killing. They are now killing innocent Biafran people who are hustling, using shovel to put sand into tippers. They see them, they saw them, they started shooting at them. Very soon, when you are gathering, when you are celebrating, doing party, where men gather, where everybody gather, they will come and open fire and be killing everybody. Go and write it somewhere, mark it somewhere. You will see it happening. When they see where you are doing traditional marriage, they will come and open fire. When they see where you are doing you bury your parents or you bury your dead ones, they will come and open fire. You go see them. You got fear. One of them put there and power. And when they do it, they will say that it's unknown soldier. Since unknown government is killing them, they will turn to unknown soldier. They will come and be killing people. Now they have started it already in Osumogu. You go see. Maybe men gather somewhere and do something. Sometimes during weekend, our men after doing their businesses, they visit their villages. Especially those who live in Aba, who live in Owerri, who live in Onitsha. We come back home. Maybe they will gather at a place, or maybe one beer parlor like that, drinking. Everybody will be happy. And you will see only men, maybe up to 20 or 30 number of them. These people will come and open fire and kill them. You will see it happen now. You got fair call game, eh? Since you think you don't want to support the movement, excuse me, you don't want to support the movement so that we'll have our freedom, you will see it happen. But before it happens, it is the duty of every Biafran to stand up against all the Igwe, against all the Eze, against all the Ohaneze Ndibo, against all the governors, all the senators, all the House of Rep. We are going to stand against them to ask them, why have you sold us and collected the money? And these people are killing us like this. When over there in Yoruba land, nothing is happening to them. Nobody is touching them. Nobody is doing anything to them. And they are floating, they are hosting their flag here and there. And nothing is happening. In our own land, they kill us, and nobody is talking. And you think that Mazen, if not because of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, that all of you will be alive now. Once you come Mazen Nnamdi Kanu by the side, all of you will be dead by now. Take it or leave it.
I know see. I run, I tire. The looky children begging for feeding. Now waiting I go to Sunday. The rich are getting richer, the poor are getting poorer.
Thank you very, very much, my brothers and my sisters. And I want to remind you all that we are still mourning our people that are massacred in Ebonyi State and Enugu State. Over 30 people have been killed, massacred by Fulani herdsmen, and our governors are not doing anything. Yes. And now they are going from house to house, kidnapping our people one after the other. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, Chukwu Kabiam will bless you for us, because you are the only man that is fighting to have us restored, to give us a nation that we can be proud of and call our own. My name remains as Chukwu became Biafra One. I love you people all. Thank you so much for listening. Till tomorrow.